All right, my name is Sarah. I train people on how to become ads managers. We spend tens of thousands of dollars per day in ad spend, meaning we got skin in the game, we know what we're doing, okay? So I want to talk today about the number one mistake that I see new ads managers make, okay? So the most common mistake when they launch their ad campaigns is they tweak far too soon. So they look at their campaigns and they think, oh, I got to do something. So I'm going to tweak this, turn off this ad, turn on this ad. The reality is the hard part about being an ads manager is you've got to have some patience, right? And it takes a little while for the ads to spend, and we want to let them spend an adequate enough money so that we can actually give Meta a chance to get us the results that we want. So what I would advise you to do is ask yourself, okay, what kind of results am I happy with? If I'm running an ad campaign for a local business and they want to get call bookings at around $50, I need to say, okay, I'll be happy with $50 call bookings. And then what I can do from there is let each ad spend at least 2 to 3 times that amount before I make any adjustments whatsoever. So you've got one campaign, maybe you've got 2, 3 audiences, and then you're gonna let each ad within those audiences spend 2 to 3 times, and you're not gonna touch anything until that happens.